Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the tutorial about DOTA, how to check the token balance, how to trade it on HydraDX, and I will also share the updates on InvArch and how to use the VARCH token and how to check it. First of all, DOTA, today they make the announcement about the listing on HydraDX. All of you can add liquidity now, and of course, a lot of you may ask how to check whether I have the airdrop and how to trade it. It is not that simple, that's why I make the tutorial. Hopefully it can be helpful. So first of all, to check the balance of DOTA, the simplest way is to use subwallet. Subwallet, they do provide a very convenient way to check the balance for all the assets in Polkadot ecosystem. And now you can check the DOTA. So here is the balance for my account. Now this DOTA is on the asset hub. So I need to connect to the HydraDX. First of all, I connect my sub wallet, so I need to select this account, and it's now connected. Because the DOTA initially is on the asset hub, it's not on the HydraDX, so I need to do the cross chain. So from asset hub, I need to choose from asset hub and the cross chain the DOTA. So asset here, I should select DOTA. So as you notice, the balance is already there. But when you try to transfer, you find out you need some USDT. So this is the USDT you need on the asset hub. A lot of you may not have it. If you do have the DAO token, probably you have some USDT. So I'm going to transfer one DOT from the Polkadot to HydraDX. So after that, I will do the swap. So I'm going to swap from DOT to USDT. So now this USDT will be on HydraDX. So this is not done yet. After I swap them, I need to do another cross chain to send the USDT from HydraDX back to the asset hub because we need some fees on the asset hub. So now it's done. Now I can do the cross chain finally. So I can cross chain out DOTA to the HydraDX. Okay, so it's done. You can do that. You can also do the trading. So for example, I can directly trade from the DOT to DOTA. You can use USDT, you can use DOT or other assets because of the unique pool setting on the HydraDX. So now I get some DOTA on the HydraDX. Okay, so that's all for the HydraDX. Hopefully it's helpful. So now let's talk about InvArch. InvArch, they have an update about the airdrop. Now they increased 20% to 50 million VARCH token airdrop. So all of you may get more VARCH token, and there's no knockup, so you can immediately send it. But of course, now the VARCH is not listed yet, so you cannot trade it anywhere. Maybe it will be listed soon. So to check the balance, again, use subwallet, so you can check the balance easily here. I have some VARCH token on this account. Now what to do with this VARCH? You can already stake them, so that's amazing. You can stake. So you can choose. I would really appreciate if you can support AIWeb3 DAO. That's a community I'm the founder and want to support the content creator in Chinese community. But anyhow, you can actually stake the VARCH token. If you haven't got the VARCH token, don't be panicked because they have two tracks. One is from the relay chain, which will be distributed first, and then the other one is on the parachain. So if you do stake more than 25 dots on the parachain, you will also get some VARCH token. So wait till next Tuesday. If you still have issue, if you cannot find your token, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help. Alright, so that's all for today's video. Hopefully this tutorial is helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.